Okay, hey, the butterflies. So look at this. We got snow going on. It looks really beautiful. It does. Can you see it coming down? Yeah, you can. That's really pretty. You could probably see it a little bit better from upstairs, but I'm just filming this from downstairs. It's really pretty. I believe this is a snowstorm, but it just looks so, like, beautiful. I like it. Slowly, so you guys can see the snow falling. It was said that we're gonna be getting like a couple inches of snow, like quite a few inches of snow, so I'll see how much we get throughout the day. I kind of want to play in it, not gonna lie, but I don't know. Now I'm starting to wonder if it's like snowing in my Animal Crossing island. But it might not be. That's pretty though. I'm gonna switch it to upstairs. Okay, so here you can see it a bit more from the balcony. You can really see it coming down. This is very pleasing to watch. Do you guys get a lot of snow like this? Let me know in the comments of either this video or one of my other videos that allow the comments. Let me know. Love to hear it. Knowing me, I love snow. This camera really picks it up. The trees look dead right now, but they won't be later, probably. Because the snow is just water, basically. You guys let me know, is snow your favorite or is rainstorms your favorite? Rainstorms are not my favorite. Oh, no, actually, yeah, they are. Thunderstorms aren't, though. I hate those.
Are you filming?
Okay, getting a better view. I'm actually on the balcony.
Yeah,
It's sitting on the balcony.
sure.
This phone picks it up so well. Just come out here a bit. It's just water. Not worried about it.
gonna hurt anything.
No, because snow turns into ice or water.
It's not gonna hurt the camera.
Not if it's waterproof. I'm not sure if it is. But yeah, here's the...
Just wait till everything you're done after you shut it off. Just wait till it'll be fine.
Yeah. It's going all over me. It's going all over me. Dang it. There we go.
Oh, the doors are so heavy. You Hercules to open it.
I'm covered in snow.
Oh, you're gonna melt now. Oh, God.
No, I'm fine. I'll live. Olive. I'm an olive. I'm an olive. Just don't eat me. I'm not edible. Yep, I'm an olive, but just don't eat me. I'm not edible.
Sure you are. You don't just don't. A lot of people eat human meat. Not a lot. Just you looking at me, what? No, I want to rephrase that.
You better not too.
Cannibals.
Exactly.
Yes.
Now let's not talk about cannibalism either.
Oh boy. Mm-mm. Do you taste like chicken?
Stop it.
What are you chicken?
Oh my god, Ed.
Oh, no thank you. I don't want that.
I'm filming all this, by the way.
Huh?
I'm filming all this, by the way. Be comedy gold right there.
Mm-mm. Tastes just like chicken, I have. Shaken bake human being. We have an arm, and then we're gonna have toes, and then we're gonna have fingers.
Oh my gosh.
Mm-mm. Finger licking good.
Not really. Actually, the opposite. Okay, either the snow stopped or it turned into, I think, rain. I know you guys can see that. What do you think? Is it still snow or rain? Yeah, but either way, I decided to record this because I thought you guys would like this. I know I did. I always love snow, especially when you can go out and play in it. So, yeah, and make snowballs and do snowball fights. I know some of you like doing that because it's really fun. But, yeah, that's all I have for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you butterflies later. Love ya. Bye.